in spirituality, a lot of times we focus a lot on ascending, but we forget to ground. But that's not going to work. It's really important for your energies to first be grounded to be able to even go to the higher realms, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So grounding is extremely important. What are the various ways in which you can ground yourself? The easiest one is spending time in nature. Walk barefoot on nature, on grass, lie down on the grass and see the roots coming out of you and going into Mother Earth and touching the core of Mother Earth. I can't tell you how important it is right now for your energies to be grounded and to literally your roots be embedded inside Mother Earth. So you can do that. That's really efficient, and that's a really good way of grounding your energies, being in nature, walking barefoot, lying down on the grass. And then you can also specifically start working with your root chakra, because root chakra is the one that is responsible for grounding and safety. So there are many meditations out there on root chakra. You can do that. You can even just sit in meditation yourself. You can keep your hand on your root chakra and you can imagine the roots going down into Mother Earth, or you can imagine the red color of the root chakra. There are many ways of doing this. You can also do the lum chanting, which is the chant of the root chakra. But yeah, you can do various practices that can help you in strengthening your root chakra, because if you don't first feel grounded and safe, you're not going to be able to work on any other thing, so to say. You won't be able to work on any other energy centers. You won't be able to ascend higher. So ground yourself first. And I would highly recommend that you do grounding every single day. It's not difficult. Don't give yourself excuses that you don't have time for it. Like, come on, you don't have 5 minutes, you don't have 3 minutes, you don't have 2 minutes. It's really important for you to do this every single day. Preferably when you wake up, I would really recommend that you make it a practice to do it every day. You can do any of these things. But please make sure that you are doing something every single day to ground your energies. And you can even try various practices and then you will get a hang